Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're going to be making ham and cabbage quesadillas with peppers and cheese. And to get started, we're going to need some eggs. Just crack a couple eggs. Preferably without the shell. Now we add a little salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, and some smoked paprika. And we just stir this up, beat them up good. Okay, we put this aside for later. Now we get our pan and we set our burner to medium. Put a little oil in the pan. Now we just go ahead and add some of our shredded cabbage to the pan. That should probably be enough right about there. And we're going to cover that with our Modern Innovations new lid that we had. And it fits right on the pan. That's pretty neat. It's got a vent hole. Yeah, I'll put a link in the description for this. These come in handy. Now we'll just let that cook a little bit and get a little bit tender. And then we'll mix in our other ingredients here. You know, the peppers and maybe some green onions and ham. Okay, let's give our cabbage a check, see how we're doing. Cover that up, let that cook a little while longer so it gets nice and tender. Next we're going to stir in some of our green peppers. These are poblano mildly hot green peppers. So let's do that. Okay, let's see what's going on here. How we doing? Not too bad. Alright, let's put on some of our green peppers. There you go. We'll stir them in. They're starting to look good. Next we'll stir in some of our ham. Chopped ham. Alright. Starting to smell really good. Okay, let's cover that and let that cook a minute. Maybe a minute or two. Okay, it's been about a minute and a half to 2 minutes. Let's just give them a check. Okay, it's looking good. Okay, let's add a little salt, a little bit of pepper, tiny bit of garlic, a little bit of onion, and maybe just a little spritz of the smoked paprika. That's good. And we'll give that a little stir. Now that's starting to smell really good. They ought to invent something like smell-o-vision or something. Maybe someday, I guess. I don't know about that though. That'd be kind of tricky, wouldn't it? Okay, there we have it. Our ham, cabbage, green peppers, and the spices, seasonings. That's good. Now what we're going to do, is put in our egg mixture. Now there's 4 eggs beaten up in there, so we'll see how we do. All right. Now we're going to cover that and let that cook a little bit. And we're going to make sure our burner's set to medium low. And that should be good. Okay, let's give our eggs a check here. And now we're going to put our tortilla on top. Push down lightly. Get it to stick. Okay, there you go. Now we'll cover that and let that cook maybe 2 more minutes. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. Is it loose? Yep. Time to flip. I might use the big spatula on this. Okay, let's try the big one. Ready for the flip. Not too bad. I almost lost that one, but it's alright. Alright. Now we can put some cheese on there. Put our cheese all over. That makes it taste good. There you go. Really nice. Alright, now we can put some green onions on there. And you can even, to make a little bit of crunch on top, you can spritz it with a little more of the hot peppers. Plus it gives it that hot taste up near the top there, you know. That makes it good. And even if you want to, you can put a couple of these ham bits on top. Now these are already pre-cooked though, so you can do that. And they're so small, they'll heat up as soon as we put a lid on and melt the cheese. You know, I don't know if we have enough cheese on there, do we? We like cheese, but it's okay, I think. Alright, let's cover that up and let everything melt. Yeah, these modern innovation universal lids, this thing is really coming in handy. Yep, I should have bought them sooner because they fit right on these little pans, and the oddball pans makes it handy. Plus you can see what's going on inside. Okay, let's let this rest a minute and the cheese all melt and everything come up to temperature, and then we serve him up. Okay, let's see if the cheese melted. Oh yeah, it's very good. Nice, really nice. Looks pretty too. Alright, let's plate that up, and we got to have a taste test on that. That sounds good. Okay, let's plate that up. Oh yeah, look at that. That's really good looking. Look at all that cheese that's on there. Well, here we have it. A ham and cabbage quesadilla with peppers and cheese. And we got the green onions on top. I'm going to put just a little more salt, not much. A little bit of pepper. I am going to put a little garlic back on here. Make it nice. Maybe a little bit of onion. We might put a little paprika on here, just to spruce it up a little. Alright, let's cut into that and see how it is. Oh, that's going to be good. I'm going to cut 4 nice big quarters. Okay, look at the cheese. It's all stuck there. Man, is that good looking? Yeah, let's see if we can get a piece out of there and see how it is. Oh, look at the cheese. Can you see that? That's really tasty. Yeah, the cheese is just stringy. Really nice. Beautiful. Let's have a little taste. Oh yeah. Boy, does that cheese taste good. It kind of melted down in there. Really good. Oh, you're going to enjoy this one. And it was easy. And I have enough to make another one. So, okay. Well, there you have it, guys. A perfect meal, I think. And it's kind of healthy, too, with the cheese in there. But the cabbage is really interesting flavor that's in here. It really tastes really good. You're going to enjoy this. There you go, guys. A ham and cabbage quesadilla with green peppers, poblano peppers, mildly hot peppers, and plenty of cheese. And I have enough over there to make another one. Wow. That sounds normal.